You're stuck, feeling like no matter how hard you grind, real wealth stays just outside your reach. You see others making moves, building legacies, and wonder, why not you? The truth is, most advice is garbage, toxic distractions selling dreams of easy riches that never come. The market's a jungle, and beginners get eaten alive. But what if there's a different path? A powerful, almost secret highway where you can build serious wealth without gambling your future? That's exactly what real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer you. Not some fairy tale, but a tangible way to grab hold of property profits without the headaches of being a landlord. Here's the brutal reality nobody tells you. REITs let you own pieces of massive income-generating properties, skyscrapers, malls, warehouses, that cash flow steady dividends month after month. It's like getting rent checks without calling a single plumber or chasing late payments. You jump in early, you stake your claim on real assets fueling the economy, and you get rewarded. This isn't about hoping stocks go up or chasing the next crypto fad. It's about real-world foundations, bricks-and-mortar cash machines that build solid, lasting wealth. But most beginners lose because they buy blindly, chasing flash without understanding the game inside the game. Here's what no one teaches you. Not every REIT is golden. You want to pick ones with actual growth engines, sectors that don't just survive downturns, but thrive. Industrial REITs tied to e-commerce booming? Yes, that's it. Data center REITs powering the entire internet? Absolutely. Forget the shiny office spaces that empty out by the thousands. Get ruthless with research. Know the debt levels lurking like sharks. Know the management's track record of delivering profit, not just glossy promises. This is your war zone. If you get sloppy, you lose everything. Now listen carefully, because here's how to turn this into your new gold rush. Don't put all your cash in one basket. Build a portfolio, a fortress of diversified REITs across different sectors and geographies. Dividend yield alone won't cut it. Seek those hidden growth catalysts that can explode your returns while steady dividends keep cash flowing. Reinvest those dividends like you're planting seeds in a jungle where only the strongest survive. Watch compounding do what no hype-driven pump and dump ever will. And here's a deadly serious tip. Track the macro shifts. Interest rates bite into REITs, so be ready to adjust. When rates rise, pivot smartly toward REITs with low debt and high pricing power. Think like a predator. Stay flexible, hunt the weaknesses in the market, and exploit them ruthlessly. Forget waiting for the perfect time. That's a trap of the complacent. Action beats analysis, paralysis every time. Start small. Start now. Set up automatic investments. Build momentum so powerful the market can't ignore you. Surround yourself with people who get this. Not armchair investors, but those grinding, building, scaling. Because real investing isn't about luck. It's about knowledge, discipline, and relentless execution. Your wealth is a war you choose to fight or forever watch from the sidelines. This isn't just another get-rich pitch. This is a call to arm yourself with mastery over your financial future. REIT investing is the new gold rush. Yes, but only for the bold, the relentless, the ones willing to cut through the noise and claim their stake. No more excuses, no more delays. You were built to lead, to rise above the system that wants you small, safe, and predictable. So lock in, dominate the details, and make real estate your unstoppable engine. Your future self will thank you, because this is how empires are made, one smart, fearless move at a time.